Hello, children and families. How are you today? I'm bringing another book in English, and this time I recommend it for children between 2 and 6 years old. And this story is very funny, and I will ask you at the end of the story what is the story about, okay? It's about a mouse, a lion, and some other animals in the jungle. And let's have a look. I hope you like it. The Royal Toothache, author Sanjeev Jaiswal Sanjay, illustrator Ajit Narayan, and translator Manisha Chaudhry. The lion was the king of the jungle. Everyone shivered and shook when he roared. He had a terrible toothache since 2 days. Maharaj, get this tooth extracted, suggested the monkey, the jungle physician. All right, agreed the lion. Who would extract the lion's tooth? They were all terrified of him. Maharaj, I will give you a kick with my hind legs, and the tooth will pop out, said the foolish donkey. You will dare to kick the king? Roared the lion peevishly. The donkey tucked his tail between his legs and ran off. The elephant, cheetah, bear, and deer were all worried. Who would stick their hand into the lion's mouth? 2 days passed, and the toothache was getting unbearable. Should I take a look? Asked the mouse one night when the lion and he were alone. All right, said the lion, and opened his mouth wide. There is a lot of dirt trapped between your teeth, said the mouse, taking a peek inside. Using his sharp teeth, he cleaned out the lion's teeth, and the lion felt much better. Maharaj, please clean your teeth every day, or else your teeth will rot, said the wise little mouse. Yes, you are right, but please don't tell anybody, or they will say their king doesn't keep clean, pleaded the lion. All right, laughed the mouse. The lion also laughed. The end. Did you like the book? It's quite sweet, right? And short. So let's have a think. Who appears in the story? What animals can you see? What happened to the lions? What happened to the lion at the first place? Like, what is hurting? Does he have a headache? Does he has a toothache? Does he have stomachache? What is it hurting? And then, why was it hurting? What does the lion need to do from now on? And what happened to all the animals? Are they afraid? Are they scared of the lion? Are they happy? Are they excited? What do they feel? And who is actually the one that helps the lion? Is it a big animal? Is it a small animal? Is he very brave to put himself inside his mouth and just clean and have a look at what's going on inside the lion's mouth? And then let's have a think. When are we feeling scared? When are we feeling relieved? Are we cleaning our mouth? Yeah, so let's have a think about all of this, okay? I hope you like it, and remember, see each other every 2 weeks from now on, okay? Have fun, take care, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.